Hey guys, my name is And5 and today I'm going to be showing you some new features that I just recently added into Pixelmon 6.3.2. Two brand new features. Now of course I didn't make this alone, I did code it alone. However, the graphical interfaces were graciously provided by PokeNerd, or his name is Tyler as well. So thank you very much to Tyler for your support with the graphical interfaces. So two things I'm going to be going over is the badge case and the trainer card. So firstly, to preface, we have several different colors for the badge cases. We have black, we have white, we have pink, we have green, blue, yellow, and red. Now of course you may be wondering, hey, how do I craft these? I want to have them in single player. Well, that would be a great question, and I do have a great answer to that. So we craft them using apricorns. So I'm going to take a whole bunch of apricorns here, and I'm going to bring them right down. So what we're going to do is you have the middle row here is going to be out of cooked black apricorn. Now, of course, after that, the other 6 slots are going to be the color apricorn that you actually want the badge case to be. So if you want a blue badge case, you're going to want to use a blue apricorn, like so. And that'll give you the blue badge case. If you want a pink badge case, you're going to want to use pink. Now, I, of course, love the color pink, so we're going to use the color pink for now, just for this example here. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to get out some badges and I'm going to show you how to actually use it. So we're going to use this using the Generation 6 badges here, because I happen to like Generation 6. No hate, please. So firstly, let's open up the actual badge case itself. As you will see here, we have several different badge slots per se. And we have an up and down key and a register button. Now, you may be wondering, what's register do? Well, let's do that. Once you actually register the badge case, it puts your username and UUID inside of the item stack of the badge case. As you can see, we have 4 NBT tags right there. So more or less what it does is it puts your name and UUID in there, and it registers the badge case to you. So only you and only you are able to actually put items inside of the badge case and take them out and swap them. If you were to give the badge case with badges and whatnot to other people, they wouldn't be able to add or take away from it, but they would definitely be able to view your case. And of course it will show your name at the top of the badge case itself. So you may now be wondering, how do you put badges inside of the badge case? I don't understand. Well, you hold the badge in your hand and then you right click the badge. So once you right click the badge, it will automatically detect the badge case in your inventory and it will pull up the actual the slot, you know, it will just go right in there. So just as an example here, I'm going to take out a black badge case and I'm going to register that black badge case. It is going to go to the first one that it finds. In this case, the pink one is the first one that it's going to find. So I'm going to right click the cliff badge. As you can see, it didn't go in the black one, it went in the pink one. Now let's say we switch around those two. And now the black one is first and the pink one is second. If you click the rumble badge, let's say, it's not going to go into the pink one, it's going to go into the black one. So it goes into the first one that it can find. So now we're just going to go ahead and load up this badge case with all of these badges here. And there we go. So now we're going to open the badge case and you're going to see that all of the badges are here. And you can actually add even more badges. I'm just going to use 2 for this example. And you can actually get a whole nother page. And you know, this can go on infinitely. You could have an infinite amount of badges inside of this badge case. So you won't have a problem with running out of room for that matter. Which is great, of course. Now let's say you don't like the order your badges are in. You're able to left click the badge, and as you can see, it's going to darken up so to indicate that it is highlighted. And then you can click another badge and it will immediately swap between the two. Now I'm going to put these back because you can also swap in between pages, of course. So as you can see, those two are swapped positions, and that just swapped positions too. So you can do it from any page to anywhere. You can swap anything. Now, as well as this, you are now able to right-click these badges, and it will immediately go into your inventory, and the others will just shift to the left. So, you know, you could click that, it goes right back into your inventory. Now, one of the great things about this, let's see. One of the great things about this is you are able to rename your badges, and it will still maintain the data that is on the badge. So if I were to just put that in there and then take it back out, it is still going to be bug. And that will work for every single NBT data tag that you attach to the items. So if the server that you're on has custom badges or custom names for those badges, you will not have to worry about that. All of your data associated with the badge will be saved inside of the Badgecase. So there's not a problem with that. And of course, that's more or less how you use the Badgecase. So we're going to move on from the Badgecase, and we're going to talk about the trainer card now. So let's hit U here, and as you can see, this is my trainer card. We have the heads-up display on the bottom here. I'm going to just move away so they don't fight me. I am not in the mood for a fight. So we have the trainer card right down here. As you can see, it's right next to the Wiki hotkey and the Pokédex hotkey, and it is activated hitting the U key. So let's hit the U key, and as you can see here, your trainer card will pop up. Now, the default color for the trainer card is white. Of course, you do have the option to change it to blue or pink. You'll have your player character right up here, and it'll be fully rendered. Each Pixelmon that you have will be displayed here if you have more. And let's say Pokegive. Sylveon, let's say Ninetales. Now we're going to hit U again, and there's the Ninetales. Now, of course, if you were to, let's say, capture a Pokemon with a different ball other than a Pokeball, obviously we're going to use this Kingler here as an example. We're going to get that in just a second. There we go. And there it is. The Kingler is now in the interface, and it is using the Master Ball background. So it will use whatever Pokeball that you use to catch it, which is pretty neat. It is going to have the money that you have, so any money that you've earned, it will be displayed right here. It will have your Pokédex progress, which will update dynamically, of course. So you can see how many Pokemon this person has left. It will also have your UUID. Of course, as I said, you can change colors, which is pretty neat. Developers do get a custom card, however, it doesn't happen to work in single player, so I will not be showing that to you today. However, developers and other Pixelmon staff do get a gold card, and they will have a little heads-up display right up here. It's not really important to show, so I'm not going to go ahead and go on to a server for that. Of course, if you were to hit the trainer card button, which is you, while staring at another person, you will be able to pull up their trainer card as well. And it will have all the same information that yours would have, except it would have their information. So it would have their team, it would have their money, their Pokédex progress, their model, the color of their card, their UUID. All of that information will pop up automatically for them. And of course, that is when you look at the player. So that is about it for today's update on some of the new features in 6.3.2. If you liked some of these features, make sure to hit a like button down below. I worked really hard on them, and I wanted to thank Tyler again for all his work with the GUIs and actually creating the interfaces. We very much appreciate it. Again, if you like the update, please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. I do some Let's Play videos. I do updates with development and things like this, so if you enjoy that, it'll definitely be worth your time. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoy your day.